A few days ago, it was announced that the International Space Station briefly lost control. This was after a new Russian module misfired. According to NASA flight controllers, they said that the event unfolded on Thursday, and that the newly docked Russian Nauka module fired up its thrusters, which in turn caused a pulling effect to happen with the International Space Station, with scientists on the ground describing it as a sort of tug-of-war. NASA officials who were monitoring it said they declared it as a spacecraft emergency, even noting that the International Space Station had experienced a loss of altitude. They said the control was lost for over an hour, and that ground control even lost communication with several astronauts for over 11 minutes. As of right now, Joel Montalbano, the head of NASA's International Space Station program, revealed to the public that although the situation isn't ideal, not at any point were the astronauts on board in any kind of danger, and that initial investigations have shown them that there's been no damage sustained to the International Space Station. While all of this was going on, many noticed something odd in the background, saying that it looks like a large ball of light flies below the International Space Station in the left-hand corner. Those who saw the mysterious object said it must have been travelling at incredible speeds, as it was able to fly out of frame. Interestingly, many of these strange objects have been detected by the International Space Station cameras, with online users saying that these large glowing objects are often seen on the live cameras. Online users who have seen the footage say that it does look like it's travelling fast, and that it matches other mysterious objects that have been seen flying past the ISS. The video was shared to online groups where people gave their opinion on what they thought it showed. One online user said the following: "Every year more and more of these types of videos surface, showing large crafts flying past the International Space Station at extreme speeds. We've been detecting these objects for decades now, and they match the description given by people like Louis Elizondo, who say these crafts have no visible wings or propulsion systems, but yet can still travel at extreme speeds. I'm sure that this will be written off as space debris or a camera anomaly, but people need to start asking questions. The evidence is right in front of our eyes. It's not hidden. You can see these objects quite often on the International Space Station cameras if you have enough patience." While this user said the following: "Once again, another mysterious flying object flying past the International Space Station. It's incredible to see these crafts flying past at the speeds they do, and it really makes you wonder about our place in the universe. Perhaps these are advanced drones that visit us from a distant galaxy. We really have no idea of the things happening outside of our little blue marble, and I like to think that these are visitors from distant worlds, and that they're observing us from a distance. To see them fly off into the cosmos really gives me goosebumps. It makes me feel less alone, and it makes me stop and think, is this proof that we're not alone in the universe? For all we know, we're being visited on a daily basis." End quote. As with many of these types of videos, there's always the possibility that this could be something like debris. NASA themselves have said that above our planet is millions of pieces of space debris, saying that sometimes these can be picked up by the cameras on the ISS. NASA and skeptics have come forward in recent years and have been more vocal about these objects, saying that what people are seeing isn't aliens or advanced crafts, but rather natural things that occur in space close to the ISS, saying that it's not uncommon to see fast-travelling objects around the Earth, and that sometimes these pieces of debris can make contact with the International Space Station. NASA said the following on their website: more than 27,000 pieces of orbital debris or space junk are tracked by the Department of Defense's Global Space Surveillance Network sensors. Much more debris too small to be tracked, but large enough to threaten human spaceflight and robotic missions, exist in the near-Earth space environment. Since both the debris and spacecraft are travelling at extremely high speeds, approximately 15,700 miles per hour, an impact of even a tiny piece of debris with a spacecraft could create big problems. There's approximately 23,000 pieces of debris larger than a softball orbiting the Earth. They travel at speeds of up to 17,500 miles per hour, fast enough for a relatively small piece of debris to damage a satellite or a nearby spacecraft. There are 500,000 pieces of debris the size of a marble, up to 0.4 inches or 1 centimeter or larger, and approximately 100 million pieces of debris around 0.04 inches, or 1 millimeter and larger. There is even smaller micrometer-sized debris." End quote. But others said that you can see this thing slightly change direction, and it doesn't appear to be free-falling through space, like some of the other objects that have been detected. So what do you make of this footage? Do you think it shows an advanced craft travelling at fast speeds, or is it just a piece of space debris? Be sure to leave your questions and answers in the comments section below, and help us to grow this community while working to solve these unexplained mysteries. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.